Today is Tuesday, May 17th, 2011, and the time is 3:15. Looking at the website here, I wanted to document the fact that we're having some very strong winds today. Here is the wind speed monitor that Pattern has out as in the desert, checking wind speeds, and we are having wind speeds. I seen it earlier; it was up to 46-mile-an-hour gusts, with an average of around 30 miles an hour. I want to go outside and show that there is no dust blowing. The windmills are not in at this point. Again, we're having these last few days we've been having some very high winds, and again, there's the date right on the top of the of this website here, Ocotillo, California. And let's scroll up a little. The website is right www. Weather station. So let's go outside and see if we see any dust blowing. I was out there earlier and didn't see one bit of dust blowing, but my thoughts are that after they put these windmills in, we are going to be dusted out on days like this. Let's go outside and take a look here. I'm going to get I got a wind speed gauge here too. Let's make sure this thing is ready to go here. Okay, let's go see what we got going out there. See what the wind looks like. Okay. 30 mile an hour. 50. As you can see, there's no dust blowing. Some clouds, but there's no dust at all. I'm standing here. I'll take my sunglasses off. No sunglasses on. No dust. I mean, lots of wind and no dust. My wind, 59. Just went up to 59 meters per second. Standing here at my property. No dust whatsoever. Not a bit of dust. Just seen 56 meters per second. It's been got. No dust.
nothing. I can take my glasses off. Stand here. There's no dust blowing whatsoever. And 50 mile an hour winds.